Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware. Identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels such as door and drawer fronts on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the side panels next to each other with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Using your screwdriver, install the cam lock bolts into the holes with the white plastic insert. Be sure to keep the bolts in a vertical position. Locate the dowel holes and use your rubber mallet to tap the dowels into place. Line up the drawer slide hardware with the pre-drilled holes found towards the bottom of the side panels. Align the third hole on the bottom row of the drawer slides with the pre-drilled holes on the side panels. Use your drill to attach the hardware with the screws provided. Install the bottom panel, fixed shelf panel, and top panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Be sure the pre-drilled holes on the bottom and top panels face the outside of the cabinet box. Additionally, the fixed shelf panel should be installed with the cam locks facing the bottom of the cabinet box to ensure a clean, finished look. Gently tap the panels with your mallet to eliminate gaps and ensure a tight fit. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Slide the cabinet's back panels into the groove along the back side of the cabinet box. Be sure the back panels are completely seated in the channel. Install the horizontal back brace panels by aligning the holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Use your mallet to gently tap the brace panels into place. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Using your drill, secure the top brace panel into place using the screws provided. Assemble the remaining panel by lining up the pre-drilled holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Use your mallet to gently tap the connection points to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Install the feet on the underside of the cabinet box by screwing the ABS legs into the bottom panel where the black self-tighten inserts are located. Use the screws provided to further secure them into place. Stand your cabinet box upright. Depending on your oven size and setup, your cabinet may need to be modified to exclude one or both of the top two drawers. Locate the drawer front panel and front clip hardware for the top drawer of your cabinet. Align the front clips with the pre-drilled holes on the back side of the drawer face panel and use your drill to attach them with the screws provided. Locate the metal side rails and the bottom and back panels of the drawer box. Align the metal rails with the pre-drilled holes on the bottom drawer panel and attach them using the self-tapping screws. Snap the drawer back clips into position. Slide the drawer back panel into the slot and use your drill to fasten it using the screws provided. Attach the drawer face panel by sliding the metal clips into the slots at the front of the drawer box. Fully extend the metal drawer slides in the cabinet box. Place the drawer box on top of the metal slides and push them back until you hear a click. Use your screwdriver to adjust the height of the drawer face panel. Once the drawer face panel is level, tighten the top screws to secure it into place. Locate the parts for the bottom two drawers of your cabinet. Place the bottom panels of the drawers on your work surface. Using your drill, attach the side rails using the screws provided. Line up the corner brackets on your back panels with the grooves on the back side of the metal slide rails and slide them into place until they snap together. Slide the back panel into place and attach it using the screws provided. Turn the assembled pieces over on your work surface. Place the drawer face panels on your work surface and align the front clips with the pre-drilled holes. Attach the clips using the provided screws. Align the front clips with the slots at the front of the metal slide rails and slide them into place until you hear a click. Fully extend the metal drawer slides in the cabinet box. Place the drawer box on top of the metal slides and push them back until you hear a click. Use your screwdriver to adjust the height of the drawer face panel. Once the drawer face panel is level, tighten the top screws to secure it into place. Attach the provided covers to the drawer sides to create a clean, finished look. Lay the cabinet doors on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Place the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet doors and use your drill to fasten them using the screws provided. Align the doors with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach the hinges. Congratulations on completing your assembly.